Alright, this is a long problem. It's taken me ages to work it out. Put in a new Android stereo. Couldn't get it to work with these buttons. Looking through lots of forums and using a spare harness for the labels. Oh, another one in there. I managed to eventually work it out. Sorry for the focus, but anyway, so you have key 1, key 2 with the Grand Vitaras, this one being 2009. The one of the key wires from the standard loom was in the wrong pin for this aftermarket loom. Anyway, so in here, the standard loom was supposed to be, or at least the aftermarket one says, that third empty blank there is meant to be one of the key wires from the car, and then the purple wire on the bottom being the other one, which is the second on the bottom row. On this though, it turns out I have the pink and purple first two, bottom row, are my culprits, the ones I need, and instead of wiring them both into key 1 and key 2, I've put the purple one on key 1, and the other one I've just got wedged in there at the moment for testing on the earth. So that would essentially be your key 2 from the car. And with that set up like that, I now have steering controls. Beautiful. It's only taken me 2 years to finally get it working. Hopefully this helps anyone else. Yeah, so just a recap. On a 2009 Grand Vitara, whether it matters or not, this is a Prestige. Should be the same though, I would assume. Your purple and your pink, the bottom two, 1 and 2 on the bottom row, are your key controls. Only one of them needs to be on key 1, might even work on key 2. I've heard others using key 2. And the other one needs to be earthed to something metal. Yeah, and then you just go into your SWC on the stereo, tap on the one you want to change, and then you hold your button and it learns it. Beauty.